In this video, I'm about to show you the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum and mop. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a high-end robot vacuum and mops designed for a comprehensive cleaning experience. It boasts a strong suction power of up to 6000 PA, making it highly effective at picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. Equipment with LiDAR navigation. The S8 Pro Ultra creates an accurate map of your home for efficient and systematic cleaning. S8 Pro Ultra has a strong battery life capable of cleaning for up to 3 hours on a single charge, depending on the floor type and cleaning mode. You can set specific areas for focused cleaning, such as high traffic spots, and choose between vacuum, mopping, or both. It includes cliff sensors to prevent it from falling down stairs, and anti-collision sensors to avoid obstacles, ensuring a safe and thorough cleaning sessions. The robot is easy to maintain with detachable parts like the dustbin, mop cloth, and brush, all of which can be cleaned for long-term use. Overall, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra combines strong suction, smart navigation, and self-cleaning features for efficient vacuuming and mopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.